Last summer, I clipped a cheap waist fan to my belt, stepped outside, and nothing. It made plenty of noise, pulled my shirt into the intake, and somehow blew less air than an exhausted hamster. The problem is that product listings make every fan look powerful, so I tested these 5 for airflow, comfort, battery life, noise, and everyday usability. Some were disappointing, 2 genuinely surprised me, and the winner kept running when the others were begging for a charger. 5. Amacool Portable Waist Fan. I tested the 10,000 milliamp hour version, which claims up to 40 hours of operation and uses a high-speed motor rated at 16,000 RPM. On paper, that sounds almost excessive. In actual use, the airflow was strong enough to make a noticeable difference while I was walking, gardening, or standing outside in humid weather. Clipping it on is fairly simple. One clip attaches to your waistband or belt, while the upper clip holds your shirt away from the outlet. That second clip matters more than you might think because, well, a waist fan cannot cool you if your shirt keeps collapsing over the vent. Once positioned correctly, it sends air upward across your stomach and lower back. I also liked having several speed options. Lower settings work for walking or sitting outdoors, while the highest setting is better for yard work and other sweaty jobs. Just manage your expectations here. It moves ambient air. It does not create refrigerated air. If the surrounding temperature feels like an oven, this makes the oven more tolerable, not magically cold. My main complaint is the size and weight. That large battery adds bulk, and I could feel the fan pulling slightly on lightweight shorts. The motor also becomes pretty loud at maximum speed. Outside, the noise blends into the background. Indoors, though, it sounds a little like you've attached a tiny vacuum cleaner to your waist. The Amacool is still a capable choice for people who value runtime over comfort. 4. Socool Portable Waist Fan. This one takes the more features approach. The larger K200 version combines a 14,500 milliamp hour battery with 5 fan speeds, a power bank function, an LED flashlight, and an SOS light mode. I mean, apparently this fan wants to cool you, charge your phone, and rescue you from the wilderness. The airflow is genuinely powerful. Its motor is rated at up to 14,600 RPM with a maximum wind speed of 6.3 meters per second. When I switched directly into its strongest mode, I felt air moving underneath my shirt almost immediately. It worked especially well during gardening and outdoor repair jobs, where holding a regular fan obviously was not practical. Socool uses metal clips and a rotating mounting system, so I could change the direction without completely removing the fan. It can also work as a handheld, desktop, waist, or neck fan. That flexibility is useful when you stop moving and want airflow aimed directly at your face. The digital battery information also removes the usual guessing game. But here is the trade-off. At roughly 0.83 pounds, the K200 is not something you forget you are wearing. After an extended walk, I became very aware of the weight against my hip. Its full recharge is also listed at approximately 6.5 hours, so topping it up at the last minute is not exactly convenient. Noise increases noticeably on the highest setting as well, reaching a listed 51.7 decibels. I would happily use it around machinery, at a campsite, or while fishing. 3. Torras Coolify Zone. The first thing I noticed was how much cleaner it felt to wear. Instead of resembling a job site tool, it has a lighter, more polished shape. It sat closer to my body and did not bounce around as much while I walked. That alone made it more comfortable for travel and daily errands. The controls are simple, with 3 airflow levels rather than a long list of modes. Honestly, I preferred that. Press the control, choose low, medium, or high, and move on with your day. There's no need to remember which button activates turbo storm hurricane mode, or whatever dramatic name a manufacturer invents next. Torras lists approximately 4 to 15 hours of cooling, depending on the selected speed. During shorter trips, that range felt perfectly reasonable. It's not the battery monster of this list, but its lighter design makes more sense if you only need cooling for commutes, theme parks, walking tours, or an afternoon outside. Air distribution is where the Coolify zone impressed me. The airflow felt more controlled and less like one narrow blast hitting a single spot. With my shirt secured above the outlet, cool air traveled upward instead of escaping sideways. I could walk normally without constantly reaching down to readjust the unit. This model gives up some battery capacity and brute force power in exchange for better comfort and easier everyday use. I would choose it over the first two for travel, city walking, or any situation where appearance and weight matter. 2 is the Slenpet 2-in-1 necklace and waist fan. Its biggest advantage is right there in the name. You can clip it around your waist or wear it with the included neck arrangement. That versatility sounds minor until you start using it. Then you realize that different activities need airflow in completely different places. At the waist, it pushes air under your shirt and keeps both hands free. That setup worked well for walking, doing household jobs, or standing near a hot grill. When I wanted faster relief around my face, I changed to the necklace configuration. No complicated conversion, no toolbox, and thankfully no 15-page instruction manual. The body feels relatively compact, so it works better with casual clothing than the heavier industrial-style fans. I still preferred clipping it to a belt for security, but it did not drag my clothing down as aggressively as the large-capacity models. The controls were easy to locate by touch, which meant I could adjust the speed without looking down. Its airflow is not as aggressive as the biggest fans in this lineup. Strangely, that can be a benefit. At medium speed, the sound remained less distracting, and the breeze felt comfortable rather than harsh. It's a good match for commuting, walking the dog, visiting outdoor attractions, or sitting through a very warm sporting event. What pushed the Slenpet into second place was usability. It may not win a contest based purely on battery numbers, but I reached for it often because it was easy to carry and adaptable. You know, the best portable product is usually the one you will actually take with you, not the enormous one sitting fully charged at home. And number 1 is the Panergy 20,000 mAh portable waist fan. Yes, 20,000 mAh is a serious battery capacity for something clipped to your body. It is built for extended outdoor use, especially gardening and other hands-free activities, rather than quick 5-minute cooling sessions. Airflow felt strong and immediate when directed underneath a loose shirt. I did not need maximum power constantly. The middle settings gave me enough circulation for walking and basic outdoor work. When the heat became more intense, the top setting had enough force to push air across a much larger area of my torso. That oversized battery is the main reason this model wins. Instead of nervously checking the battery level every hour, I could use it across long sessions and recharge less frequently. It can also serve as an emergency power source for compatible devices, which is genuinely helpful during camping trips, fishing sessions, power outages, and long workdays. Panergy also feels designed for demanding use. The clips held securely during movement, and the housing felt substantial without becoming awkwardly shaped. Of course, a 20,000 mAh fan will never feel feather-light, but the weight seemed better distributed than I expected, particularly when attached to a firm belt near the center of my back. The Panergy delivers the strongest overall combination of airflow, runtime, attachment security, and practical outdoor usefulness. The Torras is more comfortable, the Slenpet is more versatile, but Panergy is the one I would trust for an entire hot day away from an outlet. If maximum endurance is your priority, this is my first choice. So, which one should you buy? Choose Torras for comfort, Slenpet for flexible everyday use, or Panergy for serious battery life. And please, whatever you choose, keep the air intake clear. Otherwise, you have not purchased a waist fan, you have purchased a very expensive shirt clip.